So I bought 4 5x7 canvases from the Dollar Tree, and I removed the canvas from the frame. Next, I used sandpaper and I sanded any rough edges on the frame. And then I sprayed and painted the frames black. I did 3 coats of the black spray paint. Once it was dry, I used Loctite Power Grab Ultimate Glue and glued the frames together as shown. While that was drying, I painted this adorable spooky word art using acrylic paint. And I got this specific word art from the Dollar Tree as well. I used 3 coats of acrylic paint. Next, I went into Cricut Design Space and I created my template. Since I wanted to place the canvas behind the wood frame, I measured the distance inside the frame, which was 4 by 6. So I inserted a box and changed the dimensions to 4 by 6, and I hit duplicate 3 times and arranged the boxes in the shape of the frame. Then I picked the Halloween designs that I wanted and I arranged them on the template how I wanted it to be. And I used HTV iron-on vinyl. So when cutting the image, you have to remember to mirror the images and place the iron-on vinyl side, shiny side down. And after weeding the vinyl, I placed it on the canvas and arranged the vinyl how I envisioned it to be. Once I was happy with where I wanted to place the vinyl, to get the design to be seen through all the 4 frames, I used scissors to cut the vinyl in the places I thought it should be cut. Next, I used my Cricut Mini Press to iron on each vinyl. Once that was done, I stapled the canvas to the frame and then stapled a piece of rope onto the back so I could hang the frame. Then I used super glue to attach the spiders and the spooky word art. And finally, I sprayed the entire frame with everything on it, sealed the canvas, and added protection to the entire project. So what do you guys think? Is this something that you would make for yourself? Leave a comment below and let me know. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you. If this is your first time seeing one of my tutorials and you think this channel is for you, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.